Your reanimation is quite special. You're now even greater than during your glory days.
Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you're doing well. I've finally created a separate channel just for tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you the compositing technique I used in my latest project. Without wasting any time, let's jump straight into a tutorial. First, we're going to create the background separately. I'm doing this because if I put everything into one project, a light motion will start to lag or hang. Add your background image. Add the flame overlays. All links are in the description. Adjust the flames to fit your video, just like I'm doing here. Once the background looks good, export it. Now open a new project and import the background you just exported. Add your green screen character, the one you want to composite. Create a group and apply a shadow to the character. Position the shadow clip in the center. Select all 3 clips, copy them, paste the clips outside the group. Hide the top clip and set the opacity of the middle clip to 100%. Export this clip and take it into Node Video to add a professional glow effect. Once done, bring the glowing clip back into Alight motion. Go to blending and opacity and set the mode to screen. Now let's add some lens flare overlays. Adjust them according to your video. You can follow my exact steps on screen.
my heart rages around like an ocean in my head. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, know I'll find you in my dreams.
Finally, we'll add a smoke overlay. Apply the Luma Stamper effect. Change the color to white. Decrease the gamma settings until it blends perfectly with your overlay.
Distance, but I know that it's not reality.
And there you have it. Our compositing is complete. I hope this tutorial was helpful and easy to understand. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.